My name is Wolfgang Dorner. I'm professor for computer science with an emphasis on spatial computing, and I'm director of the Institute of Applied Informatics. I think that AI should be an enabler for different disciplines to use data and generate a value, an added value for society. And there it's an important question, not only what is possible from a technical perspective, but what are also the requirements from society, which problems should be solved. I think currently AI has big problems with regard to creative processes, with regard to communication, to be empathetic. And that's a thing that AI will not be able to handle over the next decades. But in geoscience, where I'm coming from, spatial science, we are dealing always with a lot of data. And what is annoying to me as a curious person is always to run through a bunch of data to find the most important point, and especially to run the risk not to find the essential data that is maybe somewhere hidden behind the scene. And that's exactly the fascinating thing about AI, that it can make data visible that we have currently ignored, and that it can work on data in huge amounts that a regular human or even groups of humans would not be able to handle. Well, with regard to things like health, diseases, social problems and conflicts, I think AI can provide us, not as intelligent system, but as analytic tools, a lot of information out of huge amounts of data that can help us to provide better healthcare, to assist with new data about conflicts, area of conflicts, to solve climatic problems or environmental problems. So I think there are the possibilities to enrich us with new kinds of information. I'm looking for an interdisciplinary exchange, not only with computer scientists, but also with specialists from law, from humanities, historical sciences, archaeology, medical sciences. So I think from a lot of domains that are currently working in some way on data and are looking for solutions to better handle all these amounts of data, and see a potential in the usage of AI, but also may see obstacles, problems and risks we should discuss with regard to using AI and data.